Let's draw a cute puppy together. This is going to be so much fun. Today, we're going to create a happy little puppy, step by step. Just follow along, take your time, and enjoy every moment. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, let's draw the ear. Make a big, soft, floppy shape, like a leaf hanging down. Take your time and make it nice and smooth. Now, let's draw the head. Starting from the ear, draw a round and gentle shape to form the puppy's head. Next, let's add a big, shiny eye. Draw a large circle and then add a smaller circle inside to make it sparkle. This will make your puppy look happy and alive. Now draw a small oval for the nose at the front of the face. Color it in so it stands out nicely. Let's give our puppy a smile. Draw a curved line under the nose and add a tiny tongue to make it look playful and friendly. Now it's time to draw the body. From the head, draw a big round shape for the back and lower body. Make it look like the puppy is sitting comfortably. Let's add a collar around the neck. Then draw a small circle for the bell hanging from it. It looks like our puppy is ready to jingle when it moves. Now draw the front legs. Make two small rounded shapes in front of the body. Keep them short and soft, like little pillows. Great job so far. Now let's start coloring. Color the eye first. You can use brown or any color you like. Leave a little white spot to make it shine. Next, color the ear with a soft brown shade. Now color the collar. A nice blue color will look great. Color the bell with a bright yellow or gold color so it stands out. Finally, color the body with a light brown or cream color. Try to keep your coloring smooth and even. Wonderful work.
Great job, little artist. Keep drawing and having fun. If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy drawings. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time.
Wow!